Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best window screen is probably one of the most versatile and essential home improvement products you can buy, offering a simple yet effective way to keep pesky insects out while allowing fresh air to circulate, transforming your living space into a more comfortable and enjoyable environment during warmer months. Whether you're looking to replace an old, torn screen or install new ones on your windows and doors, understanding the nuances of different screen materials, frame types, and installation methods is crucial for achieving a perfect fit and long-lasting durability, ensuring you get the most value and functionality out of your investment. Number 5. DOCAZOO 36x 100-foot charcoal fiberglass window screen mesh. Introducing our heavy-duty fiberglass screen replacement, designed for unmatched durability. It's the perfect long-lasting solution for all your windows, doors, patios, and DIY projects. This anti-wrinkle material is flexible yet sturdy, making it easier to work with than metal screens. It's tear-resistant and simple to cut to your exact needs, even in harsh weather. Keep pesky insects like mosquitoes out with this high-quality screening. Enjoy your summer nights peacefully, free from buzzing and biting. Featuring a precise 18 by 16 weave, it offers robust insect protection while allowing optimal sunlight and enhanced outdoor visibility. Enjoy the outdoors without compromising comfort. Enjoy filtered sunlight and keep insects out by leaving your doors and windows open. Relax in tranquility without any unwanted critters disturbing your peace. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile and durable solution for your windows and doors, this is a great choice. Its heavy-duty fiberglass mesh is easy to cut and fit, making it perfect for various DIY projects. You can enjoy your outdoor space without worrying about pesky insects. What people say. This kit is a great value and easy to assemble. The screen material is durable and the frame is sturdy. It fits perfectly in my window and keeps out bugs effectively. Number 4. Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, 2-pack. Introducing the Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, a versatile solution designed to fit your windows perfectly. This pack includes 2 screens for your convenience. Specifically designed for double-hung windows, these screens are ideal for vertically sliding windows commonly found in homes. Enjoy fresh air without the pests. Need a wider fit? It expands horizontally from 21 to 40 inches wide and 15 inches high, easily accommodating various window openings. This ensures a snug fit every time. For taller windows, it adjusts vertically from 15 to 28 inches wide and 21 inches high. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of window sizes. Crafted with a powder-coated aluminum frame, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to rust. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The tight-weave fiberglass mesh provides excellent ventilation while effectively keeping bugs and debris out. Enjoy a comfortable and pest-free environment. Installation is a breeze with its tool-free design. Simply slide it into your open window and close the sash to secure it in place quickly and easily. What we like. For those with double-hung windows, this expandable screen offers a simple and effective solution. Its tool-free setup means you can install it in minutes, and the durable aluminum frame ensures it will last. Enjoy ventilation and keep bugs out with minimal effort. What people say. The screen material is durable and easy to clean. The frame is sturdy and fits snugly into the window opening. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 3. NeatiEase Adjustable DIY Magnetic Window Screen. Introducing the NeatiEase Adjustable Magnetic Window Screen. Enjoy a custom fit for any window, easily installed in minutes. Crafted with high-quality, fire-retardant fiberglass mesh, it provides excellent durability and safety for your home. Experience a secure fit with its powerful magnet sealing. This ensures no gaps, keeping insects out effectively. Maintenance is a breeze. The screen is designed to be easily replaceable and washable, keeping it fresh and clean. We stand by our quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty on the magnet attraction. This DIY solution is perfect for any window size smaller than its maximum dimensions. Achieve a perfect fit every time. What we like. If you prefer a screen that's easy to remove and clean, this magnetic option is ideal. The powerful magnetic seal ensures a snug fit, and the adjustable size means it can fit various window openings. Plus, the washable screen makes maintenance a breeze. What people say. The screen material is durable and easy to clean. The frame is sturdy and fits snugly into the window opening. Installation was straightforward, and the finished product looks professional. Number 2. Primeline PL7812 Aluminum Screen Frame Kit. Easily build, repair, or replace damaged window screen frames. This kit provides everything you need for a fresh start. Combine with solar screen fabric to create effective sunscreens. Mount them outside to block the sun's hot rays from entering your home. It is constructed with a thicker spline channel for added support. This ensures reliable performance and long-lasting use. With all necessary components included, you can easily replace missing or damaged frames. These materials are straightforward to work with. Made from high-quality aluminum, it offers long-lasting durability. It is also resistant to weather elements for reliable performance. This comprehensive kit contains everything needed to build a complete window screen frame. It makes your DIY project simple and convenient. What we like. For the ultimate DIY enthusiast, this aluminum screen frame kit is perfect for building or repairing your own screens. Its durable aluminum construction guarantees longevity, and it's compatible with solar screen fabric for added sun protection. Build it exactly how you want it. What people say. The screen material is durable and easy to clean. The frame is sturdy and fits snugly into the window opening. Installation was straightforward, and the finished screen looks professional. Number 1. Expandable Window Screen 2-Pack. Introducing our high-quality window screens, designed to fit all types of windows. Enjoy the fresh air without any worries. These adjustable screens offer 2 convenient sizing options. They can be used horizontally or vertically, expanding to fit your window perfectly. Crafted with a durable aluminum frame and strong fiberglass mesh, this screen is built for longevity. It's designed to resist deformation and keep out pests. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-follow instructions. Simply remove the set screw, adjust the panels, reinsert the guides, and secure the screws. Get your window ready in minutes. Just open your window, insert the screen, expand it to the right size, and close the window. It's that simple. What we like. If you need a flexible screen that fits a variety of window types, this expandable option is a great pick. It's designed for easy installation and features a durable aluminum frame. Enjoy the fresh air and keep bugs out with this convenient and adaptable screen. What people say. The screen material is durable and easy to cut to size. The frame pieces snap together securely, creating a sturdy screen. Installation was straightforward, and the finished screen fits perfectly in the window opening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.